Hello, in this lesson I would like to show you how to make chains. First of all, you need to start. Start with a slip knot or your first loop. I already showed several methods how to start, but I will show you this again, my lovely methods where I have two loops at once. Grab the hook, insert under the yarn, twist, crossing, anti-clockwise, put it down, make sure you have this crossing between your fingers, continue crossing. Now turn your hook a little bit, grab the working yarn again from your side and pull up through these loops. Remove your left hand and you will have two chains. This one is the first slip, this one is the first chain. You count it as two chains. Now we need to pull a little bit of short tail to secure and pull a little bit of working yarn to make it tighter. Now we work with a chain. Go under the working yarn, take the working yarn, pull it through the loop. That we will have over here. Try to work even and all loops gonna be equal. Again, go under the working yarn, take it and pull up through the loop. And continue till needed length. How to count your chains. I usually count this one too because I usually work in this loop also. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make 3 more to make it 10. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 10 chains.